This is about to happen! Can you guess what makes it move? Watch till the end. It's magic! Hey friends, I'm Milo. Ready for magic today? Let's get everything ready. Hi friends, let's make some magic today. Look at this! We're making rainbow milk! Wow! Let's get everything ready. First, we need milk, Cat. And lots of colors. Red, blue, yellow. Hi friends, let's make some magic. And don't forget soap and cotton buds. First the soap, watch this. Now for the cotton buds, ready? Let's pour the milk, slow and easy. Wow, it's swirling and glowing. So cool, let's try more colors next. Drop one, red. Whoa, look at that splash, it's glowing red. What a cool experiment. Let's try more colors. Now blue and yellow. Wow, look at that, the colors are changing. What a magical mix. Wow, it already looks so pretty. Now it's time for the magic tool. Three, two, one. Hi friends, ready for some magic? Let's try this. Are you ready? Here we go. Hi friends, let's make some magic. First, I'll get a cotton bud. Wow, a rainbow explosion, so cool. Science is fun. Wow! The colors are swirling so fast. What happens next? Let's try adding more. This is so cool. What do you think? It's dancing! A rainbow party! Wow! Look at it go! Try this at home. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!